It's laundry day at Pop Century. We initially weren't going to be doing laundry because we packed exactly what we needed to get through our whole trip, but we had some things change and we're gonna need some extra clothes. Why are we gonna need extra clothes, Lindsay?
We're staying here for another week.
What?
We're not leaving for a long time.
We're never leaving. You can't.
Actually, we are gonna be leaving here. We're gonna switch resorts.
Oh, intriguing.
Ooh, ah.
You're full of mystery.
Scandal. Ooh, ah.
So yeah, we're gonna go do laundry, so we have clothes to wear. Our outfits are gonna be repetitive, so if you're watching us because you're into style, you're probably watching the wrong channel. But we're gonna be wearing the same clothes throughout the week.
But no, we did clean the clothes.
But
and
note,
clean ourselves too. This
is the matter of record that we are doing laundry. We're gonna actually go and show you how to do laundry at Pop Century. So we're walking up to the main building. Pop Century actually has 3 sets of laundry facilities. One is over in the 80s, I think the other one's in the 50s, and the third one, the one that we're going to be going to, is right by the Hippy Dippy pool, which is right out back from the food court and the main area. So yeah, there's the Hippy Dippy pool, and then over here there's restrooms and doors to get into the laundry. You'll need your magic band to get in, but there is access 24 hours a day. It'll be done in 34 minutes, and then we'll be back to dry it.
Stay tuned.
What could happen next?
Ténganse alejado de las puertas.
I almost had it.
Missed it.
By that much. I'm ready. I'm not gonna miss it. Probably.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
We are on the monorail. We have to ride it to the 3rd stop to the Polynesian. We're going to Ohana to celebrate. We are celebrating the fact that we were able to get an Ohana reservation last minute. And so we were like, well, we were able to get one. Let's celebrate that.
Aboard our highway in the sky.
We made it to the Polynesian.
This couch is really difficult to sit on.
We're checked in, we're waiting for a reservation.
Yeah, and good to know, even if you are like 15 minutes late for your reservation, they still let you eat, at least here at Ohana. Because everyone's family, right? Here,
your family. I don't think that's the right place. That's the Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon.
It's true. It's not Olive Garden anymore.
But yeah, we are here celebrating the fact that we got an Ohana reservation last minute, and also that we extended our trip. What? Yeah, we are staying for an extra 5 days through Sunday, so we'll be here for the opening of Pandora on Saturday. So we already had our preview. Oh, and it's time to go eat. So enough about that. I'm hungry. Ooh.
How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Welcome back to Ohana.
Thank you. It's the coconut bread and lots of it.
So do you remember the flavor of the bread?
Coconut.
You got it perfect.
It's pineapple, not coconut.
It's both.
It's both.
Yeah, it's really good. So in addition to the pineapple coconut bread, the first course is this awesome salad that has a passion fruit dressing and then an edamame slaw on top. And it's really good, but it's hard to want to eat that when you know you have chicken wings and pot stickers and noodles coming. And Tony agrees. And then they bring you sweet and sour and I think peanut sauce. That's right, peanut sauce. And they're both really good. They must not know us that well because they only brought 4 pot stickers, 2 wings, and a tiny bit of noodles.
And stir-fried veggies.
And stir-fried veggies. But I'm gonna need a little bit more than that. How's it so far? Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
And you're all familiar with the word aloha. Now, for the rest of you who've never been there, the word aloha has many meanings. For instance, it means hello, goodbye. Could also mean love, depending on how you're saying it and using it at the same time. So whenever you hear anyone say the word aloha, you should always say it back. So we'll try it once again. Repeat after me. Aloha! Aloha! Beautiful. You got Hawaii. Now from the island of Samoa, repeat after me. Talofa!
Aloha.
Beautiful. From New Zealand, Kia ora.
Kia ora.
From the friendly isles of Tonga, Malo elele.
Malo elele.
From Fiji, Bula vinaka.
Ua vilaka.
And of course, from the land of Tahiti, Yorana. Yorana, not your mama.
And the last, but certainly not least, part of dinner has arrived. Awesome bread pudding with some bananas and a caramel sauce and a vanilla bean ice cream. It's so good.
Trying to recreate the...
Yeah, she just like came over and dumped it and we're like, what? It comes in this little canister and it's like warm sauce. And we're back at the kingdom. I really enjoy the new security situation. There's basically, you get off that little boat and there's 2 guys there. You walk through the detector and you're in the park.
We got into the park, we got Starbucks, and we were just walking by the Crystal Palace, and Lyndsay noticed this huddle of ducks. All the little itty bitty baby ducks huddled in a circle. We saw some earlier up by Cinderella's wishing well, and they were just like dodging in and out of people's legs. Oh, duck fight. We did see that sign over at the Polynesian that said nesting birds
May be aggressive.
may be aggressive. That guy is too. What you got?
So people, when you travel in the parks with your family or like if you come with like a larger group, do you have like a designated call that you all do to know that like, hey, this is my friend trying to get my attention?
We've met a
For
lot.
instance, that man just yelled, "Merry Christmas," and his friend responded, "Ho, ho, ho." Earlier, what did we hear? A lot of people do like, "Caw," and like, but it seems so generic that like,
We
wouldn't necessarily, like, I guess you would know by the pitch or the tone of your friend's voice. Like,
maybe.
Like if my mom made that noise, I could probably pick it out versus any other mom. You
That's
know?
true.
Like you just, like, you know, your dad's sneeze or your husband's cough or whatever. Like,
I think the most annoying one is the loud, high-pitched whistle that people can do.
I think I'm jealous because I can't do that.
Yeah, that's more like if I had that person in my group, like, hey, use that to get a hold of me. But I don't think other people are expecting that.
Yeah.
And so everyone else around is like, hey, buddy.
Yeah, it causes like everyone to turn around.
Yeah.
So like, what's going on? For instance, when we travel with our friends, we would sing Miley Cyrus's "Party in the USA."
Yeah.
Specifically, put my hands up, playing my song, butterflies fly away. And
Yeah.
you would literally
Put your hands up.
I'm double fisting, by the way. But you literally throw your hands up, and then if you hear that and you see, oh, that's Lexi's hand, you know, there she is.
You know Lexi from our Disneyland videos.
Yeah. So if you get separated from the group, that's how you find it.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That's what we do. But I was just curious what other people do. Do you yell "Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas"? Because that's original.
Yeah, that's the first time I've heard that, like, as a calling sign.
Yeah.
And the other guy, neither of the people looked like Santa. That's the part that confused me.
That was the weirdest part.
Well, we're going to head towards the Jungle Cruise for our first fast pass. It's looking a little stormy, but I really don't feel like it's gonna rain.
The clouds keep like grouping together and getting dark, and then they break up a little, like the sun's popping up now again. So it's been very unreliable. Like I don't want it to rain.
But also we have our rain jackets and everybody would leave and the temperature would drop 20 degrees.
Exactly. We're prepared for this.
Yeah, so we're gonna start drinking this big old coffee. Lyndsay's gonna share with me. And also that big old water. Your move, Crane. Your move.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fly, my pretties, fly.
Oh, he's gonna leave.
Ooh.
Be free. That was silly. You want to go get on the Jungle Cruise?
Yeah, sounds good. We've never had this before. This is really fun.
They're about to do the hokey pokey. Let's get out of here before we have to do it.
Let's Jungle Cruise before it rains.